Imagine a single forward message broadcast across the solar system. Not from Earth, but from Jupiter. And it wasn't a greeting. It was a warning. A warning that, if ignored, spelled doom for humanity. Stick around, because what that message really meant is about to blow your mind. Hey everyone, creator name here. You've heard about the WOW signal, right? Well, this is way bigger. We're diving deep into a mind-bending astronomical event that some theorize could be a cosmic communication. Today, we're decoding the potential forward message from Jupiter that could change everything. So Jupiter. It's not exactly known for sending postcards. This gas giant is a behemoth, a gravitational titan. It's also a massive shield for Earth, absorbing cosmic debris. But what if its sheer power also makes it a cosmic broadcast tower? Honestly, the idea sounds like pure science fiction. But let's look at the data. For decades, scientists have been baffled by strange radio emissions emanating from Jupiter. Not just random noise, but patterned bursts. And some of these patterns are eerily specific. These aren't your typical planetary radio waves. We're talking about intense, narrowband bursts. Think of it like a whisper in a hurricane. Most planetary emissions are broad, chaotic. These are focused. For years, the leading theory involved Jupiter's intense magnetic field interacting with its moons, especially Io. That's a known phenomenon. But some of the signals don't quite fit. They occur at frequencies and with modulation patterns that are hard to explain through natural processes alone. It's like finding a perfectly formed sandcastle on a deserted beach. Natural? Maybe, but highly improbable. Now here's where it gets wild. A few independent researchers, poring over decades of data, started noticing something, a recurring pattern. A sequence. If you translate certain frequencies and pulse timings into a simple numerical code, and then map that onto the alphabet, you get a message. And this isn't just one researcher. Multiple analyses, using different methodologies, have pointed to a similar sequence. What could it be? A cosmic hello? A warning? The most compelling interpretation, the one that chills you to the bone, is a forward phrase suggesting a dire cosmic event. We're talking about something that implies a threat, not to Jupiter, but to us. Let that sink in. Danger. Asteroid. Impact. Soon. This isn't some fringe conspiracy theory cooked up last week. This analysis has been going on for years, quietly, in the background of astrophysics. The idea is that Jupiter, in its role as our solar system's vacuum cleaner, detected a massive incoming threat, an asteroid on a collision course with Earth, and somehow, through these radio bursts, broadcast a warning. Now, before you panic and board up your windows, let's be clear. This is a theory, an interpretation. But it's an interpretation based on anomalous data that defies easy explanation. Why Jupiter? Why would it be the messenger? Because it's there. It's the biggest thing out there, gravitationally dominant. It sees what's coming along before we do. Think about it. If you were a cosmic entity, or even just a highly advanced natural process, and you wanted to warn a smaller, fragile planet about an incoming extinction-level event, where would you send the signal from? The biggest, most noticeable object in the vicinity. The one planet that's practically impossible to ignore. Okay, I know what some of you are thinking. This is crazy. It's just natural phenomena. And you're right, that's the most likely explanation. Scientists have proposed natural causes for these Jovian radio bursts. Intense lightning storms, interactions with charged particles, magnetospheric dynamics, all plausible. But the counter-argument is strong. The specific frequencies, the narrow banding, the patterns, they're just too neat, too structured. It's like Finn.